Siya, tumahimik ka, buboy, Boninam! Side to side daw. Ikaw, ano masabi mo?
Wala akong duda kung sino nakakuha nun. And we have Manny Pacquiao taking rounds 1 and 2.
Woo! Pacquiao! Woo! Yung bang round 5, mga bobo, wala kasing silang cable kaya sinasabi tapos na.
Instructions from the program of Oscar De La Hoya. Ang sabi ni Nacho is that no aminas. So meaning to say, he wants more energy from Oscar De La Hoya. He seems to be just walking.
Maniwala ka sa kanila.
He needs more jabs.
Nagre-review mo ngayon?
De La Hoya has accepted some of the matches already.
Wala na, mairita sa Pacquiao yan eh.
Of De La Hoya from the left hand.
Oh! Ano yan? Ay, tunog lang pala ng cable yun.
Almost at will is that left of Pacquiao. Connect.
Tanga ka dila. Oh, tanga.
Jab of Oscar De La
Ito,
Hoya.
tama, dalawang beses.
Starting for Oscar De La Hoya. He is now already moving in and dictating the distance also for himself.
Wala, hindi ka makaporma. Speed, hand jobs.
Ngayon, papato niya yung kanan niya.
Gwapo lang yan, pero papangin ang mamaya, tol. Kamukha na ni Pacquiao yan pagkatapos. Woo! Money! Money! Sigaw kayo! Money! 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 I do the side to side and practice training hard trainings. Putak! Tangina mo Pacquiao, wag kang ganyan, 500 dyan, 500.
Dito sa umipag ng kanan, tagiliran.
That came from the left, the wanted left hand.
Parilin mo, tol. Oh! Oh!
Hindi
Oscar De La Hoya.
And you notice, pagpasok ng left, bigla siyang iikot.
Yan, sino pa?
Hindi siya makacounter ni Oscar De La Hoya. So,
Mga Meksikano, walang kwenta.
Sabi nga kanina ni Mike, anong importante rito? Yung execution, yung strategy, yung fight plan. Yun ang lahat ng magkata-translate dito sa pagkakapanalo.
Notice when he throws that left hand, that right foot moves out.
Magaling.
Oscar De La Hoya, kaya hindi nakakaporma si De La Hoya.
Wala, laos ka na.
Assuming kasi that the right is going to be thrown by Pacquiao. Nauna parating kaliwa.
Tingnan mo yung tapak ni Manny Pacquiao, trying to throw an upper to the midsection.
Yeah, kambagal. Slow. Slow, weak maneuvers.
Then he goes with that left feed.
Pacquiao yan pare. Wala. Pacquiao yan pare. Si Pacquiao yan pare.
Pacquiao is all confidence dito sa first round.
That's right. The first 2 rounds was confidence builder. Sabi nga ni Kinito that lead is a psychological lead. This third round, difference of rhythm, but still Manny Pacquiao, I think, is dictating how this round is going to end.
Yung sinasabi sa atin ni Ruben Fernandez na before this fight, yung gagawin ni Manny, but he's not going to throw too many 1, 2, 3 combinations. Nangyayari yun, ha? He's just throwing 2 punches at a time, then moving away.
Panalo si Pacquiao. Panalo na kuha niya.
Magandang timing.
Kuha niya, no? 3. Yes!
Checkuhan niya si Oscar De La Hoya.
Yes, third round. Isa po.
Manny Pacquiao.
Tiyembong-tiyempo daw si Pacquiao.
This portion is brought to you by
Tinatapon ng 1, 2, 3 punch. Tinatapon niya is 1, 2, 2.
Ito lang kayo na to. Masama yung loob doon. Yan. Si Joko Diaz. Wala lang.